Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to get more RAM on your Minecraft server just by easily adding this simple program you could find on the internet. So first, I'll post this link on the description. It gives you it's called RAM disk, gives you more RAM onto your computer, and it's up to 4 GB disk size. So that's plenty a lot of RAM for your server. So the first thing you want to do is click on download it and save the file. And once that's downloaded, I'm going to open it up. Here it is. This thing is just for advertisement, to get more RAM and stuff. I actually bought more RAM, but I didn't really need to use it that much more RAM. Well, basically right here, I started already. So look, if I go to computer, see server, so I put this on all my RAM. So let me just stop it really quick. Stopping RAM. Pretty good, helpful program to just stop preventing lag on your server. It takes a while to stop it, but it's worth it. Yes, it's worth it. Well, basically, this is my server, Minecraft server, and plugins. These are all my plugins. This is for plugins for Minecraft 1.2.3. Yes, stopping RAM disk any moment now. Well, basically, right here where it says disk size, megabytes, you can add more RAM to it, and I'll show you the process once you installed it and everything. Okay, whatever. Well, I can't stop it for some reason. Well, what you want to do is click on unformatted and save this image on shutdown, and you can browse wherever you want to save this image. So yeah, click that, check that on, and options, yeah, you want to leave this all the same. Well, basically, once that's loaded up and everything, you're gonna have to go to the search bar and type in create and format. Oops. Create and format hard drives, hard disk, and this one. Load disk configuration information. So once you start the RAM disk, it will make a new RAM. It will make a new hard disk right here. It won't look like this. It will look like a black bar. So once you've done that, so you right click it and click on new volume, new simple volume. You would click on that. So go properties. No properties. Format. Well, you would need simple volume, and it will where it said new volume, you just enter it whatever name you want. I entered it as server, and you click finish, and it will start this new thing, new RAM, new disk for your RAM disk. And to stop it, just simply click on stop RAM disk, and you'll simply stop. And that's all, YouTube. Thanks for watching, and hope you hit a like button. Thank you.